Hi there everyone, and welcome to Brooks Motor Products. Today we have stock number 174381 on a 2017 GMC Terrain SLE. This model comes with 18-inch aluminum rims. The exterior color is gray. Exterior features also include parking assist. Let's take a look inside. We have power door locks and windows, electric driver's seat. Hop in, we see that the steering wheel has cruise control, audio control settings, tire pressure monitoring in the dash, 6-inch touchscreen display, automatic climate control, cup holders, extra storage space here in the front. OnStar 4G LTE network ready. The interior color is jet black and white. It has cloth covered upholstery, leather wrapped steering wheel. Take a look in the back. Power windows also. Plenty enough storage space. Armrest cup holders in the center. And just pull this lever for the seat to go down for extra storage space. This model does not have a power liftgate. And there you have it fully extended. Closer look on the extra storage. You lift this and there's your spare tire. And there you have it. That concludes stock number 174381 on a 2017 GMC Terrain SLE. And again, the exterior color is gray.